Installing slip-on commercial door frames, starting with the hinge side first. Slips on. Keep it angled. Go for the header part of the frame. Slips on up. You'll get the grooves inside the slots. Once they're inserted, you start kicking it in. Leaving the other side down just a bit to install the next one. You'll see the slots. Latch them in. Be sure to get these latched in the grooves as well. Everything should just come together. Then start kicking into place. Be sure it's centered before setting the screws. These are the adjustment screws. Just that simple. Down below, after it's adjusted and plumbed, the header must be level as well. There's a screw hole on each side. And you'll be done. Thumbs up, Timo.